This is a Dermalogica BioLumin-C Night Restore. And what I loved about it, I always typically use a vitamin C during the day, but I've never actually incorporated it as a single step in my night care routine. And I love that this is specifically targeted for nighttime. And what too you also want to know is this was sent to me from the brand that's always at Giving Us Review. And also, if you're ever going to buy a vitamin C, you do want to look for it that it has opaque packaging, because any light coming in will actually degrade the vitamin C, and that's why sometimes you'll see a change of color. It'll actually degrade the product and it'll lose its potency. So you really want to make sure that the packaging is opaque. You could also keep it in a dark space, but an opaque packaging is a must for a vitamin C. And honestly, for a lot of different vitamin C's. So what you're going to see is that this has a super nice texture, that this absorbs into the skin super well, and that it's actually pretty thick, but it actually goes onto the skin almost like a gel. So I'm going to just show you applying it. As you can see, it really thins out and it wears really well with your other skincare. And the thing too that makes this different, it has an ultra stable vitamin C. So not all vitamin C's are actually the same. That you're going to want something that is actually stable, because then if it's not stable, it will actually degrade and lose potency. So then essentially it's just stuff you're going to put on your face, and it's not actually vitamin C and it will actually work. So that's why you're going to want something that has the stability part of it. And this has a glycerin and jojoba ester, which actually will support and plump and hydrate the skin. And actually it's provitamin D complex, which also hydrates and nourishes the moisture barrier. So if you're really looking for something to really up your nighttime skincare routine, this is definitely something I would look into, because one, this brand is known for their great products, and adding vitamin C will just up your skin. And if you didn't know, I am 35, so just if you want to base your skin on what mine is.